Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to sell event tickets with WooCommerce. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you've not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, where in the upper right corner you can get started with logging into your account. So go ahead and log in if you haven't already, and after doing so you'll be greeted by this home page right here, where at the left side of the screen you can find all the sections you can access, such as home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started with selling event tickets using WooCommerce. You can see right here at the left side of the screen we have the WooCommerce section. That's going to enable us to start a new store if you do not already have one, and if you have already created your store you'll be able to access it from here. So here is where you're going to have all your store options. And basically guys, what we're going to be using for this is a plugin. So we want to open up the plugin section right here. That's going to open up this plugins marketplace. And once you open up the plugins marketplace, we can use the search bar at the top of the screen. In the search bar, you want to search for tickets. So by searching for tickets, it's going to give you all the results for plugins related to tickets. And if you scroll down a bit, you'll be able to find a plugin that's going to help you with selling your tickets. So you can see, do you have this option right here, like selling tickets, where you can sell event ticketing, event sponsoring. You have event tickets with ticket scanner. You can select any of the plugins you find the best right here, and if you want to install them, just click the install button that's going to appear right here. By installing it, it's going to add it to your store, so you'll be able to access it in WooCommerce and your plugins and get started with selling tickets with any of the plugins I have just showed you. So go ahead and access that plugin and start selling your tickets, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.